Hi everyone, so this is April with Flowers from the Foss Family, and we garden zone 4A. It's super bright out here. 4A, and so we've been planting. We planted a ton of annuals and perennials yesterday, and actually the last week we've been doing it, and we have a bunch more. And so I didn't take any video yesterday, did I? No, I didn't take any video yesterday because we just started like in the morning and went all day, and by the end of the day we were both like done, and we both have sore backs and stuff. But we have more to do today. We have to get it all off the deck because Matt's going to stay in the deck again. It's been a couple years, so he's going to do it again. And I just hope you enjoy what we have so far.
No. Watch. What?
I want you to say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
What's your name?
November.
Say November here.
We're here.
Okay, let's go look. You're gonna fall in the dirt. Sorry. To the rescue! Noelle, why do you want to do that? Huh? What are you doing?